Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add stocks and indexes on MetaTrader 5 app watch list. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a search bar at the dashboard. So let's tap on that search bar, and now you can see there is a three options: forex, metals and indexes. So let me tap on the indexes to show you a demo. And now you can see there is a tons of indexes over here, I mean few of them. So let me choose any of them. Let me choose this AUS 200 to show you a demo. So now you can see there is a plus icon at the left side of this AUS 200. So once you tap on that plus icon, you will be able to add stocks or indexes on watch list successfully. So if you want to see a proof, then let's get back. Let me cancel it now. And now you can see there is a AUS 200 at the bottom of this symbols. So if you want to delete it, then simply slide it to the left, and you can see there is a delete icon. So once you tap on it, you will be able to delete it successfully and vice versa. So yeah, basically this is how you can add stocks and indexes on MetaTrader 5 watch list. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.